You are standing in front of a grocery shelf and you cannot tell if what you are holding is a can of tuna or a can of cat food. They are the same size, the same shape, and the same weight. There is no way to know without asking a stranger for help. This is what grocery shopping looks like when you are blind. You cannot read the price. You cannot check the expiry date. You have no idea what the ingredients are. And most of the time, you either ask someone nearby or you just give up and put it back. But there is now an app that actually solves this, and I want to show you exactly how it works. The app is called Lumyeye. It was built in France, co-designed from the very beginning with blind and visually impaired users. All you need is your smartphone. No glasses, no extra devices, nothing else. Just your phone and your voice. Now, let me walk you through what this app can actually do in a real grocery store. Because the last feature I am going to show you is the one that surprised me the most. First, product identification. Imagine you are standing in front of a shelf full of canned goods. You hold up your phone and say, "Is there any tomato sauce on this shelf?" The AI looks through your camera and tells you what it sees. It can tell the difference between similar-looking products, read the brand name, and point you to what you're looking for. No guessing, no asking for help. Second, label reading. Once you have picked up a product, point your camera at the label and Lumyeye reads everything out loud. The price, the nutrition score, the ingredients list, and the expiry date. All of it spoken clearly in seconds. This is the kind of information that sighted people glance at without thinking, but for someone who is blind, getting this independently changes everything. And third, the one I find most impressive. The entire app is controlled by your voice. You do not need to tap anything or navigate any menus. You just speak and it responds. But here's the part that really got me. When you get home, you can open your fridge, point your camera inside, and Lumyeye will tell you what is in there and even suggest a recipe based on what you have. It reads the expiry dates too, so it will warn you if something has gone bad. Your fridge described and organized just by pointing your phone at it. Now, let me be honest about a few things because I think you deserve the full picture. Lumyeye is not free. It costs about $18 a month or about $176 a year. There is a free trial so you can test it before you commit. The app interface is available in 11 languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and several others. And it can translate text in over 35 languages. It works on both iPhone and Android, and it is available worldwide. The app is called Lumyeye. I will spell it out. Lumyeye. You can find the download links in the description below. If you are blind or visually impaired, I hope this gives you one more tool for living independently. And if someone you care about is living with vision loss, send them this video. Sometimes the right app at the right time can make a real difference. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.